Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to install TwinGate on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you'll have it up and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Once your packages are updated, you can start the installation. To do this, download the setup script using the following command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Run the installation using this command. After the installation is complete, start TwinGate with the following command. To get your authentication link, use the status command. Now open your web browser, go to that link. Simply log in and you're ready to start using TwinGate.